All right, welcome back to my math class. Right, in today's class, we have a math problem on the board or an equation, a math equation, and we are asked to solve it. So when we look at this, they say solve this. Now, when you look at this, we have bracket open 5 plus 5 times 5 divided by 5 minus 5. Now, all this number overall divided by 5, then bracket close power 5. Now, before you can solve this, what we are seeing here, as we see plus, we see multiplication here, we see division, we see minus. Now, the name for these particular symbols are called operators. Now, before you can solve these particular equations, you don't go according to the operators like you have to work plus, times, and division, then minus. When you do it that way, you are going to get a wrong answer. So what we do is that we use what we call board mass. So we use what we call board mass. Now, in this particular board mass, if you look at it carefully, you see that we have division and multiplication here before addition and subtraction. So meaning we are going to deal with what? The multiplication first. When you don't do it that way, you are not going to get the answer. So now we are going to reduce it this way, meaning this 5 will remain. This 5 is going to remain the same 5. This plus is going to remain. And then we are going to have 5 multiplied by 5. That is 5 times 5. So we are going to have 25. Then we have divided by 5 minus 5. Overall, all divided by what? 5. Now bracket close, bracket open. Then power 5. Now when you get here, the only thing you have to do again is that now when you look at board mass, division come before what? Let's see. When you look at board mass, so this is what we have. So that division comes before plus and minus. So now we are going to deal with what? Division. So now this is how it's going to be. This 5 will remain the same 5 plus then 25 divided by 5. This 25 divided by 5 will give us what? 5 minus 5. Bracket close, bracket open, all divided by 5 raised to the power 5. So this is what we are going to have. Now, let's rewrite all this here. So we are going to have 5 plus 5 minus 5 divided by 5, bracket close, bracket open, power 5. So when we get here, we can now continue. Now, in board mass, as I just told you, when you look at board mass, when you get here, now you can add and subtract. You can add and subtract. So let's do it and then you will see. So we are going to have 5 plus 5 is going to give us 10 minus 5 divided by 5. So this is how what we are going to have raised to the power 5. So now 10 minus 5 is going to give us what? 5 divided by 5 raised to the power 5. Now when you get here, this is where it is crucial. Now 5 divided by 5 is the same as what? A number divided by itself. So 1 divided by 1 will give you 1. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. So a number divided by itself is going to give you, so this is going to cancel here 1, cancel here 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. So we are going to have 1, then this power 5 will come. So 1 raised to the power 5 is the same as, when you see this, is the same as what? 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So you are multiplying 1 5 times. So 1 times 1, even if you have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 up to 100, since it's the same one, multiply each other times however you have reached is the same as 1. So this whole equation, this whole working is going to give us, so our answer is going to be what? 1. So this is our final answer. Right. I hope you enjoyed the class. Right. So have a look at the whole thing in just a second. Try your best and write it in your notes. It's good to study. Write it in your notes. Take your time and to go through, or take your time and follow the steps as I taught you. Right. Keep on commenting on my videos. Keep on following me. Keep on sharing my videos. See you in the next videos. I'll be expecting your comments. Right. See you in the next video. Bye for now.